In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm ideas using Microsoft Copilot. If you need help coming up with fresh ideas for a project, a presentation, a campaign, or even a planning session, Microsoft Copilot can make the process much faster and easier. The key is knowing how to guide it clearly so the suggestions you get are actually useful. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot and sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start a conversation. If you've used Copilot before, you may already see previous chats, but for a clean brainstorming session, it's best to start a new chat. That gives you a fresh space and helps keep your ideas focused on one specific topic. Now tell Copilot what you want ideas for. Be direct and simple at first. For example, you could say, "Help me brainstorm ideas for a school project." This gives Copilot a starting point. At this stage, you're introducing the topic or problem, so don't worry about making it perfect yet. Just make sure the main subject is clear. Next, add more detail about your goal, your audience, your budget, or any specific requirements. This is one of the most important parts of the process because better input usually leads to better output. If your idea needs to fit a certain age group, deadline, style, or cost limit, mention that now. The more relevant context you give, the more practical and tailored the ideas will be. After that, ask Copilot to generate multiple ideas. You might say, "Give me 10 creative ideas for a marketing campaign." Asking for several options is helpful because it gives you variety instead of locking you into one direction too early. This is especially useful if you're comparing concepts or trying to find something original. Once Copilot responds, take a moment to review the suggestions carefully and choose the ones you like best. You don't need to accept everything. The goal here is to identify the strongest ideas, the most realistic ones, or the ones that best match your needs. From there, ask Copilot to improve, combine, or expand those ideas. For example, you could say, "Develop idea number 3 into a complete plan." You can also ask it to merge 2 suggestions together or make one more detailed. This step helps turn rough concepts into something more actionable and polished. Finally, save or copy the final ideas so you can use them in your project, meeting, or planning work. Keeping the final version organized will make it much easier to refer back to it later and put those ideas into action.